Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing you a much requested progress update on one of Singapore's most anticipated developments, ELTA. We've received tons of comments asking for a closer look, and we're excited to dive into the latest construction milestones. First, let's turn our attention to the tower on the left, Block 10. For those tracking the height, you'll be happy to know that ELTA has truly reached new heights. Block 10 has successfully topped out at level 29, standing tall against the skyline. This milestone means the primary concrete structure is complete. As you can see, the focus now shifts dramatically towards the facade installation. They are aggressively working on fitting the floor-to-ceiling glass panels and curtain walls, which will define ELTA's sleek, modern look. The tower cranes are still very much in action, likely lifting facade components and other key materials to those upper floors. Now, moving slightly to the right, we have Block 12. While not quite at the 29 floor mark just yet, Block 12 is making incredibly rapid progress, currently standing tall at level 23. You can still see the formwork being lifted and concrete being poured for the remaining upper floors as it continues its ascent. It's really impressive to watch these towers rise in parallel. The engineering orchestration here is something to behold. While Block 10 is further ahead on the exterior finishing, Block 12's construction tempo is equally high. Notice how they've numbered the floors? This allows for incredible precision in material delivery and scheduling. Beyond the towers themselves, there's an incredible amount of activity happening down on the ground level. We can see work progressing quickly on the communal facilities and podium level that connects the two towers. This is where many of the key amenities will be located. Overall, ELTA is shaping up to be a true landmark in the Clementi. If you enjoyed seeing this bird's eye view, a like goes a long way in supporting the channel. And if you know anyone knocking the progress of this project, feel free to share this video with them. For more property tours, development updates, insights into Singapore's real estate market, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.